First, unbox the probes and sensors and determine what you want to monitor. Ports are color-coded and numbered, and the probes and sensors have matching color tags on the end with the audio jack. The air temperature probe, -65 degrees Fahrenheit to 257 degrees Fahrenheit range, is useful for monitoring freezers, refrigerators, or general environments. The high temperature probe, -5 degrees Fahrenheit to 950 degrees Fahrenheit range, is useful for monitoring cooking equipment and other high heat locations. The dry contact sensor is useful for monitoring something that can open and close, like the doors of any equipment or doors to an establishment. The flood sensors are useful to monitor leaks. These sensors can be run anywhere you may be concerned about flood damage. The electric sensors are useful for measuring equipment's electricity draw. Next, determine where to mount your probes and sensors. The probes and sensors should reach the VersaTile and be plugged in without any tension. Then, determine what to mount the probes and sensors with. You can use the cable management clips included in your box. These clips can be used with all equipment, including the outside of an oven or cabinet. It's not recommended to use the clips on the inside of ovens or other high heat applications. If you plan to mount the probe inside the oven or on the cabinet's cavity, you will need to use high heat resistant foil tape. Plug the probes and sensors into the appropriate ports on the VersaTile. As an example, we're going to review how to set up the temperature sensor. Go to your VersaTile, on Sensor 1, select Add a Sensor. Select the toggle button to activate the sensor. Note that if this sensor is not on, it will not collect data. Make sure that you have the sensor plugged into the correct port and select Continue. Next, add a custom sensor label and adjust the temperature range and select Save. Press the Sync button on the back of your VersaTile to apply settings when VersaTile syncs with VersaHub. Your VersaTile is now successfully syncing with VersaHub. For more information, visit www.versahub.com.